In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add holidays and exceptions in ClickUp account. So if you want your team to adhere to a certain work schedule and also indicate holidays, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your ClickUp account and then head to your workspace here and then click on settings. And once you're on settings, choose work schedule. Now under work schedule, you can choose the schedule for your work, for instance when members should be at work, and also the time. You can also go down here and customize your team's work schedule by adding public holidays and also exceptions. However, this option is only available to paid plans. So that's how you can add public holidays on your ClickUp workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.